It's normal for one of the lenses to be blocked. Most live streams only utilize the main camera. Switch to video mode and use your rear camera. Rotate the base to center yourself in the frame. The reflection of the rear camera you see in the mirror is your actual shooting lens.
Step 1. Base and telescopic pole. Loosen the knob on the pole to adjust it to your preferred height, then tighten to secure. Screw the bottom section of the pole into the base interface until it's firmly connected. Step 2. Pole clamp. Unscrew the back knob of the pole clamp. Slide it onto the pole and tighten it at your desired height. Lower placement is recommended to capture more of your desk. Loosen the wing screw to adjust the screen's tilt angle.
Next, attach the phone clamp by screwing the bolt into the hole on the back of the clamp. Ensure the connector arm is positioned on your right side.
Step 3. Mirror alignment. Choose slot 1 or 2 on the back of the larger mirror based on your phone's camera layout. For iPhone vertical or triple cameras, use slot 1. For diagonal layouts, flip the mirror and use slot 2. Android users should loosen the bottom screw to align mirror A with the main lens. Note, iPhone users should keep the default connector position. Ensure mirror A is in close proximity to the main lens.
These two bolts are not strictly necessary. However, if you can align the holes, you may install them for extra stability.
Step 4. Phone height adjustment. Position your phone as high as possible. Keep mirror A lower in the slot. Make sure the main camera captures the mirror perfectly. If the phone is too low, the camera only captures part of the mirror. If it's too high, the top right corner of the frame will miss the reflection from mirror B. Step 5. Mode and lens selection. Use video mode or a live preview. In photo mode, to avoid capturing the mirror frame, switch the aspect ratio from 4:3 to 16:9. Stick to the 1x main lens. Do not use the 0.5x ultra-wide lens. It's normal for one lens to be blocked after installation.
Step 6. Eye contact and focus. If you appear off-center, rotate the base to adjust or move the stand to the left. For natural eye contact, look directly at the camera reflection in the mirror. Place products directly in front of that reflection. For iPhone 15-16 Pro, if the lens auto-switches to macro mode when items are close, we recommend covering the macro lens with black tape. Focus on the product from a distance first, then zoom in.
Step 7. Audience perspective. This rig provides a true audience perspective, meaning text is readable and not mirrored. However, your left and right movements will appear swapped on screen, compared to a selfie. Give yourself a little time to adapt for a better viewer experience. Step 8. Magnetic accessories. You can remove mirror B and use the magnetic accessories to attach mirror A directly to your phone. Pair this with a separate, movable vertical mirror for a wider field of view. Step 9. Cooling fan. There is a 6 centimeter gap between mirror A and the phone clamp for a cooling fan. If your cooler is oversized, use the screw holes behind mirror B to mount the rig directly to the stand. This allows the mirrors and the phone to be supported separately.
Step 10. LED fill light for 1P kit. Mount the light on top of the pole and tighten the screw. Adjust the side screw for the perfect lighting angle. Short press the left button for power. Use the third button for color temperature and the second/4th buttons for brightness. Ensure your power supply provides at least a 2 amps output.
Step 11. Storage. Place mirror B face down on the left side of the case. Store the clamps and accessories in the mesh pocket on the right, and place mirror A face up on top. The base and pole are stored separately in the box.